Hi, Katie here
And Shyla
from Simply Earth, and we love making our home more natural using essential oils. And today we're going to share with you a diffuser recipe that's great for the morning. It makes you more alert and it helps boost your immune system so you're ready for your day, whatever that might bring.
All right, so I'm going to walk you through how many drops of each essential oil will go into your diffuser.
Normally our recipe boxes come with 6 recipes, but we know how much our subscribers love diffuser blends, so we added this bonus recipe to make sure while they're using their skin routine that they're feeling great.
All right, so you're going to put 2 drops of frankincense, 1 drop of rosemary, and 1 drop of clove essential oil. And turn your diffuser on, and you can sit with it in your office or in your bathroom while you're getting ready in the morning, and it'll give you lots of energy.
This blend is spicy, earthy, and herbal. The essential oils come together to make a really interesting smell that's also very nice. And when you love this blend, because I know you're going to, you can make a master blend. In your big bonus box, we give you 6 5-milliliter bottles. About 100 drops fills this up, so you're gonna use 50 drops of frankincense and 25 drops of clove and rosemary each to fill it up. We'll also give you a label in our recipe box so you don't forget what's in this amazing diffuser blend. Don't forget to subscribe to make your home more natural. We're giving you a whole natural skin routine that you are gonna love.
And as a bonus, you get a diffuser blend thrown in for you.
True dat. Go and make your home more natural.
Bye.